Yo, what's up? Waiting for the homie. They have the other parking lot shut down, so I had to come here. So I'm waiting for him. I'm gonna get some rolling shots with him. Hey yo, so I'm at the fucking meet. It's like dark as shit. It's like don't really have no lights or no shit like that. It's just like over there, but I don't know where the fuck we're gonna. Here's this motherfucker. Here they go. That's why I was parked over there, but then I moved here. It's fucking Mustang. But I just seen like a bunch of cops and shit. So, look, like, I just seen like a bunch of cops and shit. So I'm about to go. Shit, I'm trying to stay all night. I'm trying to go to Mexico.
So you're trying to stay all night?
Trying to go to Mexico? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But I know like the.
Some crack?
Huh? Yo?
Are you serious? Damn,
oh shit, it's a girl driving. I didn't even know
there's one with 2 LED beads and then there's one with 1. Like that truck, that was a dual row.
Oh!
Yeah, that's a dual row.
That's why that shit's so bright like that?
Yeah, and then there's some that's just 1 row.
Oh, damn. That shit sounds kind of nice. Gang, 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 gang. What's up? My fucking flash was like going on by itself. Like I didn't touch it or nothing. Oh damn! I wanted to get that on the vlog.
That's the one with that shit, right?
I know. That shit nice as fuck.
Our pipes took that bitch down.
Oh!
Watch it here. That's like all the way.
No, wait, hold on.
I know you be scaring people like shit.
I'm here for that noise.
Mine sounds like
Goddamn helicopter, huh? Or is that a goddamn helicopter?
Yeah, I straight up thought this dude was a cop. The windows are fucking dark. I can't fucking see it. I don't think. Oh, nobody's in that shit.
We'll let you guys in, but I mean, it's a middle of the road.
Sorry. Sorry, it's a crackhead. I don't know. Sexy thing.
I think out of all 4 cylinders, those some.
Nice little lineup of cars we got right there.
But it's all about Hondas. You know, it's all about Hondas.
I'm sorry, Hondas?
Yes.
No.
V-Tech, no tech.
No.
V-Tech, no tech. V-Tech, no tech. V-Tech, no tech. Gracias.
Yeah, they didn't really want to play.
What the fuck? Holy shit!
Oh my god!
in years. Like,
hold on, this the one that was at the JBN meet, right? Yeah. I never seen him because he freaking pulled off.
Yeah, I think so. Where did you buy one?
This shit ain't gonna do nothing but a vlog. You know some dude riding around in Maryland with a Batmobile?
Yeah, you're so
You
late.
seen him? I didn't know.
look, Batman up around here died.
Yeah, he died.
Are you serious?
He was the one that would go around hospitals.
P-Tech, no tech.
Hey, you saw that girl.
Yo,
Hey, bro, you just sitting in the turbo and all that good shit and doing something. Oh, don't worry, he's catching the bus, don't worry.
what the?
My man came here to park.
All the girls in the past.
Hey,
Don't rev your lawnmower. Don't rev it. Motherfucker.
man, it's too fucking dark to fucking vlog. Where's the flaming dude?
All of BMWs just three. What's that?
Gang. I love you. Thank you.
I can't do this shit.
Oh shit. Are those spacers? Hey, are those spacers? Those wheels?
Some wheels might just be wide, like mine.
Yeah.
One of the guys from the shop gonna be coming out to me.
That's a sexy ass lineup though.
What people who work out aren't really into cars. No, I'm talking about the guy with the Genesis. He's a punk. Is that a GTR?
Yes, it's a GTR.
Yeah, get away from me. That's flaming. I've been looking for him. That's flaming. Where's it? This is the one I was telling you about, I think. That's the raised Honda. I think. That's the one I was telling you about right there. The one, that Honda right there is raised like shit. Oh God, someone parked next to me. Now I gotta move. Whoa there, sir. Whoa there, sir. Yeah.
Honda?
Yep, V-Tech, no tech. It's like no tech, no tech.
Cut out.
That's probably gonna be my ass when I first start driving stick.
Yeah, we're looking at a shot. See the other RF? Yeah, sorry. What the fuck is this? That guy was broken.
Motherfucker just messed up the whole flow. This is that how you park at a car meet? You want a shout out anything?
Yeah, VA from M City all the way from 703. We out here to burn somebody up.
Team Honda. Oh, I seen this one before. Come on, I get it on. Hold on, wait, you said McDonald's?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep Keep your goals to yourself, nigga. Translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.